too. Oh my god. Well, I need to flush my eyes now. Ryder, is everything okay? What's going on? Okay. This is gonna be hard to explain.
Parents strongly caution, the following programs are intended for mature audiences over the age of 18. These programs may contain some material that many parents would not.
This is a regular test of the local access emergency bulletin system in your local area. This equipment is used regularly to keep you informed during local emergencies such as severe weather, amber alerts, and shelter-in-place warnings. For bigger emergencies, we turn to the emergency alert system. This was a local access emergency bulletin system test courtesy of the Chris Cable Company in your area. Test concluded.
Find suitable for children and may include intense violence, sexual situations, coarse language, and suggestive dialogue.